So I got access to two Facebook accounts. One was a 7 years ago account, which is, you can see this date. Let me translate to English. So you can see that I had access to this account. The account was created 2018, so which is 7 years ago. So I had an access to a 7 years ago account. And also I did it twice. I had an access to 7 years ago account, and I had access to a 1 year old account. So these are the things you are able to get if you're able to watch. So stay tuned on this video why I teach on how to access an already existing Facebook account without any issue. So dive with me in this video as I create teach you on how I created or have access to this already existing Facebook account. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So today I will be teaching on how to get an existing Facebook account. Either the Facebook account has been existing for long or not. So probably you want to get an access to an existing Facebook account. Probably you want to use your Facebook, the Facebook for something. Probably you want to get monetized on Facebook and you don't want them to block, because when you create a new account, you get blocked easily. So probably you did too much on the account, immediately you create it, then you get blocked or you get suspended. So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get uh, access to an existing Facebook account that has been existing for long. So I did one recently. I get access to an already existing account since 2018. So today I will teach you on how to get that as well. Now, the first thing you have to get ready is where I will be getting is the number that you are going to, the account that you want to retrieve. So it's just like you retrieving an existing account that has been existing already. So now what am I going to do is I'll come over to this website, which is SMS Virtual. So all you need is just to fund this account, this SMS Virtual account. So the first thing you have to do is fund the account. Before you fund the account, just create an account. Then after you create an account, then fund it. You can fund it on your mobile phone. I think your mobile phone is the best option for you to fund the account. And once you do that, then you come over to the Facebook, come over to this option. So whereby you click on, the first thing you have to do is search for Facebook. Now immediately search for Facebook, I will cancel it. You have to choose the country. Now don't just come and choose any country anyhow. Now the first thing you have to do is check the country that has the highest percentage. Here we have 32%, 32%, 27%, 27%, 25%. So those one that's either you check for the one that has the green mark, but so far we don't have any green mark here. We have just 32% here. We have Philippines has 32%, Netherlands 32%, Sweden 27%, Spain 27%. So we have to choose any of these four accounts, any of these four countries what we are going to choose. So I think I will go for, let's go for Netherlands all. So let's go for Netherlands. I'll pick on, before I go on Netherlands, I have to go and change my VPN to Netherlands. Probably you have your VPN available so that I get the right access to the right account. So, so yeah, I'll click on Netherlands. I'll change my VPN to, because I'm using a PIA VPN. So I'll choose Netherlands. So this is Netherlands. So immediately I choose Netherlands, I'll wait for it to switch to Netherlands first. So immediately I switch to Netherlands, I'll go back to my browser and go over to Facebook. So I have to wait for the VPN to switch on first. So let's wait for the VPN to switch on so that we can proceed. So and that's how you are going to be getting an existing Facebook account. So I did it twice before, and also now the VPN is switched on already. So I'll go over to Facebook now. So I'll go over to Facebook. So immediately I go over to Facebook, then you can see that it is connected to Netherlands already. So let me, okay, this is capture. So let me do the capture first. Chin. So we're on Facebook. So let me translate to English. You can see that the VPN is effective already. So if your VPN is not translating, giving you the language of the country you are in, that means it's not yet. So this is, let me sign in. Okay, so instead of signing in, I'll go back to Facebook. So immediately I go back to Facebook, it said you are temporarily blocked, stuff like that. So I'll click on go back. Okay, so you must be logged in, so I don't have an account yet. So now what I'll be doing now is I forgot my account. So immediately I click on forget account, it will ask me to find the account that I forgot. So that is when I'm going to enter either email or mobile number. So now I'll go over to that website, SMS Virtual, and then we click on Netherlands. I'll click on Netherlands and I will activate a number. So it costs 1A for the number. So now this is the number they gave me. So I'm going to copy this number and I'll go back to that place and I'll enter the number they gave me and I'll click on search. So once you click on search, it will bring out the account that an existing account that already. So you can see that there is an existing account with that number already. So now it said, is this my account? You can log into code. So I'll click on continue. And immediately I click on continue, it will send code to that number. So I'll go back to where I'll be waiting for. So I'll hold on for the code to come in. So I'll be trying to do. So I'm trying to hold on for the code. So while I wait for the code, so any country you want to try, you can try the other country out. So, but you might the reason why we are going for the country with the highest percentage is that you'll be able to get the code as soon as possible. So you can see that, yeah, you can see that the code came in. So this is the code. So I'll go over back and I'll paste the code and I'll click on continue. So now for you to know that the country so you can see it will ask you to set the password. So let me hide this. So I'll click on continue. So you should choose another password. So immediately I choose another password, then boom. So you have access to an already existing Facebook account. So you can see that I'm back on Facebook. So I'll click on your account is no longer suspended, you are back to Facebook. So you can either save it or leave it. So I'll back to Facebook. Now password changed. If you think someone else have known odd password, log out of other device, stay logged in. Log out of other will help you check your recent changes. So I log out from other devices and I'll continue to my own account. So get started. So you can just click. You said I should secure my account. So checking method. So I'm trying to just. So immediately you have access to the account. So go over to change all the details on the account and make it yours. So that's how you get access to an already existing Facebook account. So you can see that, yeah, the Facebook account is live already and you can start using the Facebook account. So let me check the date the account has been created. So I think so that I can use the post if the person has posted it already. So I don't think the person has posted. Let me check here the notification option. So let's see when the account has been in existence. Okay, Android. So we don't know when the account has been in existence. You can just go to the settings option and go over to the settings. If you want to check how long the account has been in existence, so you can go over to the settings. So your information and permission, your preference. Okay. So now I just want to check when the account has been in existence. So okay, it's direct us back to our profile. So let's check here. Default audience settings. So this is how you access the. Now, if you now want to check if when your account was created, so the first thing you have to do is click on your account access. Once you go back to your settings, let's take for example, okay, let me go back. So let's take for example, you are on your home page, you're on your Facebook home page. So let's take for example, this is your Facebook home page. So from your home page, how are you going to check this account? I just checked this account and I found out that this account has been created 1 year almost 1 year ago. So which means this account has been existing for more than 6 months and is almost a year. So by next month, which is April, so the account will be a year. So once I go over to the settings, I click on settings. So from settings, I click on my Meta Accounts Center. So from there, I'll click on my profile, which is your. I'll click on your information and permission. So from there, I'll go back to access your information. So from access your information, I will scroll down. I'll scroll down to access to check this personal information. So I'll click on personal information. So on personal information, you see your details there, details of your accounts. You can see profile information, your account creation date. So this account, the date you created your account was April 14, 2024. So which means the account has been created almost just few days to making it a year ago. So by next month, it will be a year ago they created the account. So before, I think I have an access to an account. So I just did one not quite long ago. So this is one of the account I had access to. So let me check the account. So this is the account I had access to some minute ago before I did this video. So this account has been created since 2018. So let me check, let me confirm again. So I'll click on access information. So from access information, this is a spin account that I had access to some minute ago. So I just claimed this account as well. So which means I was able to claim two accounts. So I will scroll down so I can translate to, let me translate to English. So I scroll down, I click on personal information. So you can see that this account was created 2018. So which means this is like how many years ago? This is like 7 years ago. This is a 7 years ago account that I had access to. So thanks for watching. I hope you are able to grab some information from this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. Bye.